Hey, it's Missy, and today I've got a little French braid into a ponytail, so let's go ahead and begin. Alright, the first step is to brush all the hair straight back, and then take a section at the corner of the foreheads, bring it towards the back, and separate it off. Back comb the hair just slightly to get a little bit of volume. Then we're going to divide this section into 3 sections and create our French braid. So the sides are going to go over the middle, and then this side over the middle, and then this side over the middle, and then bring in a section of hair and add it in. Then cross this side over and bring in a section and add it in. Then cross this section and bring in a section. Get to about your ear level right here. Bring all the hair up into a ponytail and tie it off. And then you'll want to kind of fix the front, so grab some hairspray and just smooth down the sides and the top. And then if you want, you can take a small piece of hair from under the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic. Then grab a bobby pin and pin the hair underneath the ponytail. You just push the bobby pin up into the ponytail, and that is the finished look. Enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!